We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words in English and some of the most mispronounced ones too, so make sure to stay tuned for those. This designates a style or category of art, music, or literature. This is a word of French origin. For reference, in French it is said as genre, genre. This is why in English this is normally said as genre, genre, from French genre. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? Many get them wrong. You won't anymore after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.